Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about a new accessory that I got for the Model Y. Actually, it'd work on the Model 3 or the Model Y. Not the newer ones, but the ones that we have, it does work. It is a new center console. It's not really a wrap, but I guess a cover, you'd call it. So that's actually what it's called, a car center console cover from Top Fit. So here it is, Top Fit car center console cover. It's got the three pieces there that are going to cover the tops of this. As you can see from a video I did earlier, I did get a vinyl wrap, and this is the matte black vinyl wrap. We have liked it a lot. It does seem to, well, it definitely cuts down on the glare that you get from that, and it does seem to clean up better. It is pretty dirty right now, but you clean it up and it cleans a lot better than that glossy black that was on there. So that is nice, but it does not hold up quite as well. So this is actually got a little bit of fuzz from that in there, and it might be hard to see. Let's see once it dries off there. The dog somehow was in the front seat for a little bit and chewed it up a little bit, so you can see that the vinyl wrap is not quite as good about holding up as hopefully this car center cover, console cover is, because this is actually a plastic cover that goes over this instead of just a thin vinyl wrap that just sticks to it. So we're going to see how that works out, and then also once I get that installed, I also have a Top Fit silicone drop-in cup holder. So that one might be nice too, because as you can see, cup holder gets pretty dirty in there, and it'll be nice to be able to take something out and just wash it out really quick and then drop it back in. So that'll be a good thing as well. So overall, we did like this vinyl wrap. I do have a link in the description below to where you can get the vinyl wrap. It's nice, and you can get it in different designs and everything. So you could get a white one, or you could get carbon fiber or whatever. And it has worked out well, but it never fully got around all these little corners. So that was a little bit annoying. And like I said, it doesn't quite hold up quite as well as we had hoped. But it is cheap, and it lasted, maybe 6 months, 9 months before we decided needed to get something else. And obviously the main contributing factor to that was a dog biting this little part here and messing that up. So first we'll see how hard it is to get this vinyl off, because I don't know how hard it's going to be to get the vinyl off, and then we'll see how easy it is to put this on. So I'll start with this centerpiece here. See how hard it is to get that off. So this vinyl actually stuck to the car a lot better than I would have thought. I mean, I really thought it was going to be constantly coming off, and really the only places that we had trouble with it were right around the cup holder, where it has this weird rounded corners that you couldn't quite get lined up very easily, so they had a hard time sticking. But other than that, on these big pieces like this, it has been very resilient. Alright, so this one also came off quite easily, and you can see all of them came off without any trouble. They are stuck on there pretty good. So I was pretty impressed with how well it held up and how well it stuck to this shiny piano black surface. But that is what the center console looks like with the piano black. I'm going to go ahead and leave this piece here. So there's actually, this was piano black as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave that there, because this top cover actually doesn't come with a piece for that. So we can just leave that matte black cover there. I think that works out just fine. So we'll leave that intact, and we'll see what this one looks like. All right, so take this out of the bag here. So there is the one that goes over the cup holder. See, it just has these little, looks like 3M tape strips. So we'll just take these little red things off there, and then it will stick right on. Should have 2 more pieces in here. And so that would go like that. That have this down, but we'll put that up there. So it looks like all I got to do is just make sure it lines up. Now, I will say that one of the differences here is that definitely going to be able to see the piano black once you push this thing up and down. So that would be a little bit different, but I think that's okay. Once we line it up, it's not too bad. And again, most of the time you're not going to see that. See how hard it is to get these little red things off? That's probably going to be the most annoying part about it. So here it is, first piece ready to go here. Gonna try to get that lined up just right. So first piece is installed. So there it is, fully installed. Again, the top one doesn't quite open as smoothly as it did before, I believe, because the added weight to it, and up here, this little lip is a little bit further, and I think it kind of interferes with that. But other than that, that's fine, because again, we leave that one open basically all the time. This one works fine. And this one obviously does not do any movement at all, so it fits on there good, and no problems with bubbles on the corners like with the vinyl. So overall, there are some advantages and disadvantages, I think, to this new top cover. I will have links in the description below so you can check them out if you're interested. I will say that the vinyl is a lot more difficult to put on. However, it does do a little bit more complete job of actually covering all the corners. So with this plastic cover, it doesn't actually cover the sides. So when you do open up one of the center console pieces here, you do actually see that piano black again. You don't see as much as that with the vinyl wrap, because it does actually wrap around those corners. So that is a little bit of a disadvantage, but I will say that this plastic cover does seem a lot sturdier, and it is probably going to hold up better. Although if it gets chewed up by a dog, it's, you know, it's still gonna look bad, I'm sure. But it might be a little bit more resilient to things like that. And we'll see over time how well it cleans up. It does seem a little bit more of a stickier surface, I would say. Maybe that's not quite the right word. It's definitely a matte surface, which I do like as far as the glare is concerned, but it is possibly not going to clean up quite as well as the vinyl did. So we'll have to see how that works out. I'll keep you updated on that. I also have this other accessory here, the little cup holder. Has a little coin holder, and we'll see how it fits in here. Try to get some of the dirt out of this cup holder before we just drop this new one in there. But here's the silicone, goes in there like that. That's really nice. Yeah, I actually like that a lot. And if it gets dirty, you can just pop it out, wash it out, whatever you need to do, and then drop it back in there. So that is going to be, I think, a really nice addition. It covers the entire thing so shouldn't be getting anything down inside the actual cup holder that would be needing to get cleaned up. So that's actually really nice. I wonder if that fits AirPods. That might be a nice AirPods holder there. Sure. It's a little bit snug for the AirPods Pro there, but you could put AirPods there. So there was, what do you think about the top fit plastic cover instead of the vinyl for the center console? Again, this is for some of the older Model 3s and Model Ys. The recent Model 3s and Model Ys actually had a center console redesign, and so this wouldn't work for that. And they're already matte black anyway, so obviously you wouldn't want to get a matte black cover unless you're just trying to protect the console. You could get like a vinyl, matte black vinyl to go over some of the center console, the new ones. But mostly I think these were for covering up that piano black, which some people like. I do not like the piano black. It especially shows up a lot of dust all the time, and it has glare that shines off of it. So any cover that you can get, the vinyl, again, I have descriptions, have links in the description below of the vinyl as well as this plastic cover, this new one down there. And I think both of them are great options to cut down on the glare for that, as well as protect your center console and make it easier to clean up. And if you get sick of the design, you can always get a different design and just put that on there. So that's great. I do think that this center console, this little cup holder silicone cover is going to be great. Definitely will keep an update on that as well. So overall, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.